first vlog of YouTube, and in this vlog we are going to do a hairstyle with using of hair wax. So let's do it. This is Astra wax hair wet look, and these are available in Amazon. I purchased from Amazon, so you can buy, and this is good product. I'm using since 1 year. This is good. So let's try. It's white and green. So we have to take just mainly, guys, I do not use hair wax, but sometimes I use. So this is good. We use it for wet look, and just apply simply on your hair like this. Yeah, like this. Just wave your hair like which style you want to put it. Means curve your hair and wave your hair with your hands where to put it. So I'm putting right back also because my back look awkward. So just putting little more. Just apply fully onto your top hair because most of my hair will be highlighted at the top, because I'm very I prefer very vintage look, so do it like this. And be like this. So yes, this is fine. And use the hair because I recently take the bath, and so my hairs are wet, so use this hair dryer to wet it. Now comb your hair with comb. You can use any type of comb. I prefer mostly this because it is good, I think. So comb your hair in what style do you want, in which way you want. Just comb it. Just wave your hair like this. So you can do like this to make your funky like this you can do, but make sure you comb your proper hair, total hair, proper line by line. You can see the uniqueness and the sharpness. Like this. This is good, I think. No. I think this one. Wait a second. This is the unique style I prefer. So, and this comb feels very nice, no? Yeah. This work has massage to your hair. What do you think? It's great. I think it's great, friends. Just cozy, funny, smart kind of guy. It is available on Amazon, so you can buy this at very cheap rate. I think 350 rupees you can buy it. This is the good wax, so you can buy this. My hair still looks nice, no? Just kidding. Just a small tutorial for make up your hair in just 5 to 10 minutes with using of wax without the use of gel. बस मैं ही चाहता हूँ बस सपोर्ट कर दूँ। मैं आपको इतनी इंटरटेनमेंट दूँगा कि सोच भी नहीं सकते। बाकी लोगों से बहुत अच्छा, तो सपोर्ट कर दो और बस देखते जाओ। नेक्स्ट वीडियो और अपलोड करूँगा, देखते जाओ उसको। तो सपोर्ट कर दो, देखते जाओ वीडियो मेरे, और बस सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब करूँगा कि मैं पहला हूँ। फिर मेरे फ़ैन मेरे लिए स्टार्स हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि लोग मतलब दूसरे लोगों के लिए कि मैं छोड़ दे फैंस है यार, हट। ऐसा नहीं, मेरे फैंस मेरे लिए स्टार हैं। मैं उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करूँगा, वो मेरी रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे। बस यार दूसरों को रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं कि फैंस है तो उनको मतलब कुछ भी मतलब आजकल मैं देखता हूँ वो मतलब फैंस को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देते हुए वो धुतकारते हैं एक्टर्स आजकल के। तो मैं वैसा नहीं हूँ। आप मुझे सपोर्ट दीजिए, मैं भी आपको सपोर्ट दूंगा, आपको फुल ऑन एंटरटेनमेंट दूंगा जो भी है। और आगे देखते जाओ और क्या होता है, नए नए थिंग्स। तो साइनिंग ऑफ, हिमांशु।